Bye-bye. Bree, I don't think you're a very good driver. You keep crashing. You keep crashing?
Yeah.
Bye-bye. You keep crashing. You're causing too many accidents. Whoa, you crazy driver. Poor Chloe. You crazy driver. Ow, you ran over my foot.
Bye, Mommy.
Okay, I forgive you. I think Chloe wants to get off this crazy ride.
Okay, you get up and ride. Okay.
I think she wants to give you a crazy ride now, Bree.